Hi, it's interesting when I talk of a place which is sanitized yet unsanitized. One of the most sanitized and unsanitized places is a hospital, a clinic. And this comes from the perspective that in the medical world we talk of infections acquired from a hospital acquired infections. In the times of COVID, you have a fear of contracting an infection, not only just COVID, but any other infection along when you visit a hospital. So, what is the solution? The solution probably is in being at home. That is what everybody has talked. That's what the world, the globe, all the leadership has talked about. People have talked about telemedicine and they've talked about selling medicine online. But yet, somebody has to talk about consulting. Somebody has to talk about listening to what your pain is, what your need is, what your questions are. Something that is supposed to be an outpatient department's job, which is not probably even performed there significantly in today's modern medical practice, where people, in terms of practitioners, don't really give as much a hearing as often to their patients. Online practice via a phone, via a video call, via a messaging service, is all about listening to your story, your pain, and understanding what you need. HBH, Health Beyond Healing, is an initiative in this very direction. Our doctors listen to you. Our doctors take your history, take your pain the way you want to share. We don't rush into a format. We don't want you to tell us about yourself in a formatted way. We would love to hear from you in your way, in your story, in your form, and be with you through your pain. Try to imbibe as much of it as we can and render you healthy, fit. We urge you to take an opportunity to visit us on our social media handles. We urge you to speak to us through our social media handles, and we will take care of your pain. There are customized programs we talk about. There are details that you can get about all the things that we can do for you while you're at home. And we firmly believe that until it is a surgery, until it is critical care, probably most of medicine can be advised while you're at home. The only thing that is probably required is a patient hearing and a patient storytelling. Between the two words of patient are you and me. I welcome you for an opportunity for a dialogue with me. This is Dr. Nitin Chaubey for HBH. Thank you.